masama na. At talas na ilis, nakakita agad eh. Sige go, mauna kayo. Mauna na kayo guys. Kunti yan. Kaya kuya, sa likod na lang. Yung bag red. Tipis kilo agad yung crinkles, siyempre. Pwede mo rin tubig. Kailan tubig?
Sa iPhone 6, iPhone.
Ano? Meron.
Ay, mapicture tayo. Share, please.
Mahanga, may boat nga. Sarili tayong boat.
Kuya. Kuya. Mapicture tayo. Frame.
Oh, ito na mismo.
Hoy, bata!
Makalakal tayo. Kaya mo yan. Good afternoon, kuya. Morning.
Ayun pa.
Kalma ka lang muna. Morning, kuya. Yeah, thank you. Red, yung bag na isa. Ganun. Yung bag. Red, dali mo na. Ito na kayo. Sige pa. Okay na to kaya. Tingnan natin. Bigat na yung tubig ko eh. Papunta doon sa beach. Sa resort. Dito rin, di ba umiikot yun? Yung sa yung sa private beach. Yung sa atin.
Dito rin.
Diyan.
Yung meeting area lang. Depende kung saan siya meeting ko. Sa meeting na yun tayo. May meeting area.
Yung pag-angat mo doon.
Ilan is yung days ko dito? Ilan days ko nga?
4.
Every Monday to
Ay, po, park.
Oh, naalala mo yan? Diyan, tsaka nag-play pit sa kabila.
Yung tinignan yun di ba?
Oo. Check in. Ay, meron ka na ba, Mi? Mi, meron na ba? Oo nga ba? Liz, tawag ka doon.
Pwede dito. Pas bawal mga bata.
Gotta find my way to you. Even though you're next to me, no matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you. Now that our love has capsized. Gotta find my way to you. No matter what I do, gotta find my way to you. Gotta find my way to you. Even though you're next to me, no matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you. Even though you're next to me, no matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Gotta find my way to you.
Wow! Magaling na yata sa bumi mo. Sa bumi mo.
Now that our love has capsized.
Hi, babe. Yes, nga.
Gotta find my way to you.
Hanging pagod.
Gotta find my way to you.
Awal ka doon. Sige, balik tayo doon.
Gotta find my way to you. Even
Go,
though
bitch.
you're next to me,
Baka mahulog ka sa phone.
what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you. Even though you're next to me, no matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive.
Very good.
Connect na kayo sa wifi na. Swan yan? Ano ba?
Swan yan. Ikaw naman.
Swan?
Malaking room natin yan.
Oo, ay naku.
Oo, na.
Dito ko lang yung ano ha. So, saan tayo muna ngayon?
Swimming pool.
Daddy, iba na yung ano, yung Laguna?
Ayun yung breakfast natin dati. Ay, yung White Brewing Company bago yun.
What?
Oo nga.